Hello friends, you have to cut this sheet into this manner and then you have to simply roll them accordingly. Now apply this thin strip over here and then simply cut another pair of sheet with the help of scissor. Now roll this sheet like this and then you have to make a cap out of it. See how tiny and cute it looks. Take a cardboard and cut it. After cutting this shape, you have to place glue over here and add straws. After adding straws, you have to make a table out of it. Yes, this table and chair made up of straws and cardboard is ready. Now you have to take this and start folding it as shown in this video. You have to take note of these straws or the thin pedicle and don't forget any step. You can see that how beautifully they are being tied, and after you are done with this tying, you can simply make ring out of it. Well, they fit perfectly. Take a sheet like this and simply fold it accordingly, and then you can see how perfectly it is being made. Now the ears are made and then a face of these tiny ones are made like this. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.